Hi, this is Archita and welcome to my channel. I'm Archita and I'm an English educator by profession. I impart knowledge to various students, various types of students. I'm basically an educator in a school and I teach students from 9 to 12th, 11, 12th and many more. So when I teach them. I teach a section of students. I cannot reach to various students of many age groups. There are students there are limited students in my class. But some asked you take tuitions and maybe like for example my school is far away from my home. So I cannot reach out there. I cannot call them for tuition, just come to my home or something. And nor I can take online classes. Like if I'm taking, I do take online class, but there is one batch and then maybe another batch if I need to start, so again I'll have to reschedule the the batch and all that. So I decided, like one of my student also asked me that you should make certain videos on English so that large number of students can be benefited by you can teach students through your YouTube channels. So I've decided to teach English from easy to medium to hard, and I will try to cover all the aspects of the language, of the grammar, of the the minute error that we do while doing the editing. Maybe the simplest grammar forms, how in a sentence, if one form of verb is V2, what would be the next verb? It should be past perfect tense. So these are the common mistakes that students make even while using the helping verbs, modals. With modals we use first form of verb. So these are the basic things that the students make error. So this is just my try to reach out to you people through my channel and teach you various forms of grammar. Now initially in starting of my career, I started teaching in American Institute of English, IELTS, and there I was asked not to give my phone number to anyone, but those students asked me if you can give me your number, so that there was some technical error, just I was just checking that. So if you can give me your number so that I you can uh, take our classes at your home or somewhere else. And I was not able to take their classes at home because of many reasons, a joint family, and what kind of things we go through. But this is somewhere I have taken out one personal space at home only, so that I can make videos on many things. And you will be seeing one by. Please kindly subscribe my channel, and if you like it, please like and share it so that I can reach out to you. And I will be making videos one by one. Like first I will start with the very basic things, and then we will come to step by step, we'll move further. That slowly we can learn English through simplest form, through simplest things that is needed. Thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.